Yeah, Ron 1 with the Littlewierdjeep out here in the country just came out. I'm kind of waiting for it to get dark because I want to adjust my KC lights. I had 4 KC lights on my Littlewierdjeep, and when it got totaled, I was able to salvage those. So on the front here, I've got 2 which are long-range spots mounted on the tabs that were on this black mountain bumper. Then up here on the side, kind of off the cowl, I guess you'd say, or the windshield, I've got 2, one on each side, wide angle KC LEDs. And the brackets that these are on, I had a hard time finding because I only had those 2 screws there to mount it. Most of the light brackets mount off of here, which I have my rack mounted there. So KC was the only company I could find that sells a bracket that mounts off of those 2 screws there. So that worked out really good. So we're just going to kind of hang out, wait for it to get dark here, get on a nice open straight stretch, and get these things adjusted the way I want them. Don't know how much I'm going to need them. I just recently put Pro Comp LED headlights in. Summit Jeep did that for me, and down there in the Black Mountain bumpers, Pro Comp fog lights, which are incredible. So we'll see how it goes with adding these other lights to the whole mix here. Then in the back, you probably saw my little video I added on a auxiliary backup light up there off the rack. I've got a little 6-inch LED, and it's on its own switch, so I just can turn it on when I need the extra light to be backing up. And the 2 KCs, 2 sets of KCs and that backup light work off these switches here. They light up when they're on. This one's the backup auxiliary light. These are the side wide angles, and these are the front long range lights. So come on, let's get dark. And here's where I am at the moment. I don't know how well the camera's taking in this. Some nice cool rock features out here. So anyway, see how it goes. Everything on but the foggers. Yikes! Too bright for the camera. It's a Christmas tree.